Problem 6.11. Determine the force in each member of the house roof truss shown. State whether each member is in tension or compression.
So this is our free body diagram of the figure 6.11. So as you notice, you have one force AY, then HX, then HY, then HX. It's because the A has roller, meaning there is one reaction, and then the H has the pin, so we have two reactions. So since the figure is in symmetry, so in order to get the AY and the HY, so we have to total all the forces, then multiply it by 1/2. So we have 1,200 pounds for AY and HY. So we proceed at joint A. So this is our figure in joint A. So in order to get the force of AB, we are going to calculate all the forces in Y. So this is our figure in joint A. So in order to get the force of AB, we have to calculate all forces, summation of force in the Y component. So 1,200 pounds minus 300 pounds is equal to 900, plus 6 over 10 times force of AB. So transpose it to the other side, and divide 900 by negative 900 by 6 over 10. So we have negative 1,500 pounds, or 1,500 pounds in a compression. So in order to get the force of AC, so 8 over 10 times force of AB, which is negative 1,500 pounds, plus FAC, force of AC, is equal to 0. So transpose to the other side, then we have 1,200 pounds in tension. So next we have joint C. So this is our figure in joint C. So in order to calculate the force of EC, so we have to solve the summation of all force in X components. So 1,200 pounds minus FEC is equal to 0. So transpose to the other side, we have 1,200 pounds tension for the force of EC. And since the force of BC is the only Y component, so since the force, summation of force in the Y component is equal to 0, so the force of BC is also equal to 0. So now we are going to solve the joint B. So we already have the answer for FAB and FBC. So we have two unknowns, FBE and FBD, and we're going to solve for these two unknowns. So first we are going to solve the summation of all force in X components. So we have 8 over 10 FBD plus 8 over 10 FBE plus 8 over 10 FAB is equal to 0. Since we have FAB is equal to 1,500, so we are going to substitute FAB to 1,500. So we have 8 over 10 FBD plus 8 over 10 FBE plus 8 over 10 times 1,500 pounds is equal to 0. So we have 8 over 10 FBD plus 8 over 10 FBE is equal to negative 1,200 pounds. So divide all sides by 8 over 10. So we have FBD plus FBE is equal to negative 1,500 pounds. So this is our equation 1. So in solving for all summation of force Y, we are going to substitute the equation 1 to equation 2. So we have 6 over 10 FBD minus 6 over 10 FBE plus 6 over 10 FAB minus 600 pounds is equal to 0. So 6 over 10 FBD minus 6 over 10 the FBE, we are going to substitute FBE to negative 1,500 minus FBD from this previous equation. Then plus 6 over 10 times 1,500 pounds minus 600 pounds is equal to 0. So we already have 6 over 5 FBD plus 900 pounds plus 900 pounds minus 600 pounds is equal to 0. So we have the value of FBD is equal to 1000 pounds compression. Then from equation 1, we have FBD plus FBE is equal to negative 1500 lb. And since we already have a value for FBD, we are going to substitute the value of FBD to the equation 1. So we have negative 1000 pounds plus FBE is equal to negative 1500 pounds. Transpose to the other side, we have the value of FBE, which is 500 pounds compression.